Well, hey guys, I hope everyone enjoyed class today. Just a couple of reminders. First of all, it's really important that you spend an hour or so each week dealing with the homework that I give you between class sessions so that we can have a vibrant, meaningful discussion when we get together face to face. We are going to do activities when we're together, but in order to make those as successful as possible, it's really important that you do the homework. And so if you didn't do last week's homework, be sure to look back at that video and have that done and just redo the page in your notebook. That's okay. Let me remind you of what you need to be doing this week and throughout the rest of the course as we are doing things with your biome jars. I really want you to make observations on your jars every week. And as we said before in class today, that can be like every Monday, every Tuesday, twice a week, every day, whatever it happens to be, but be consistent along the way. When you're doing that, make sure you're taking observations, that you're taking measurements if you can, how tall the grass is growing, things like that. Excuse me. We will eventually get into doing stuff with the water and the soil itself, and that's why we did the activity that we did in class today. So be sure that you have that in your notebook, and I will check that from week to week as well. So this week you had a chance to play around with some household liquids. We had some pop, we had vinegar, baking soda, and water. We had some window cleaner, lemon juice, apple juice, things like that. So you saw that when you added the cabbage juice to each one of those liquids, you got a color change. And then you saw that when you put either the red, it's called litmus, Litmus, paper in the liquids, the red paper either stayed red or turned blue, and the blue paper either stayed blue or turned red. Now what I need you to do is take a look at your results of both the cabbage juice and the litmus paper and see if you can make some sense as to what's going on. Is there a way that you can group those liquids based on the colors that you saw from the cabbage juice, based on what happened with the red and the blue litmus paper? You may not fully understand at this point what's going on, but were there some liquids that gave you similar results? If so, can you group those together somehow? I want you to do that right now. I want you to write that in your science notebook, and you're not going to get the next video, because I have 2 videos for you this week, until you type me a message, and my email address is right on the webpage. Type me a message and send it to me telling me how you grouped those liquids based on the cabbage juice results and based on the litmus paper results. So that's your assignment for this video, and then once you've done the little assignment and emailed that to me, I will give you a link to the next video, and that way I will know who's done their homework or not. Okay? See you later. Thanks. Bye.